Have you ever pressed the clutch pedal and wondered how that simple movement lets you change gears so smoothly? It may feel effortless, but there's a small hydraulic component doing all the hard work behind the scenes. It's called the clutch master cylinder. In today's video, we'll explain what it does, how it works, the warning signs of failure, and why it's one of the most important parts of a manual transmission system. Let's get started. If your vehicle has a manual transmission, it uses a clutch system that allows you to disconnect the engine from the transmission while shifting gears. One of the most important parts of this system is the clutch master cylinder. Think of it as a hydraulic pump. When you press the clutch pedal, the master cylinder converts that mechanical movement into hydraulic pressure. That pressure travels through the clutch line to the slave cylinder, which then disengages the clutch so you can shift gears smoothly. You'll usually find the clutch master cylinder mounted near the brake master cylinder on the firewall inside the engine bay.
Here's a simple breakdown. When your foot presses the clutch pedal, a push rod inside the master cylinder moves a piston forward. As the piston moves, it compresses the hydraulic fluid and creates pressure. That hydraulic pressure travels through the clutch line to the slave cylinder. The slave cylinder then pushes on the clutch fork or release bearing, separating the clutch from the engine. This allows you to change gears without grinding or damaging the transmission. Once you release the clutch pedal, the hydraulic pressure returns to normal and the clutch re-engages. It's a simple process, but it's essential for smooth driving.
Like any hydraulic component, the clutch master cylinder can wear out over time. One common problem is internal seal failure, which can reduce hydraulic pressure. Another issue is contaminated clutch fluid caused by age, moisture, or worn internal components. When the cylinder can't build enough pressure, the clutch won't fully disengage, making gear changes much more difficult. You may notice the clutch pedal feels soft, spongy, or slowly sinks toward the floor. In more severe cases, shifting gears becomes hard, especially when selecting first or reverse gear. Some modern vehicles may also trigger a warning light or store diagnostic trouble codes related to the clutch system if a fault is detected.
If the symptoms are minor, you may be able to drive the vehicle for a short distance to reach a repair shop. However, ignoring the problem can lead to poor shifting, increased clutch wear, or even complete clutch failure. If the clutch stops disengaging completely, driving the vehicle may no longer be safe.
Fortunately, a few simple maintenance habits can help extend its life. Regularly inspect the clutch fluid level and make sure it stays within the recommended range. Always use the type of hydraulic fluid specified by your vehicle manufacturer. Check for fluid leaks around the master cylinder, clutch lines, and slave cylinder. If you notice a soft clutch pedal, difficulty shifting, or fluid loss, have the system inspected before the problem gets worse.
Although it's a relatively small component, the clutch master cylinder plays a huge role in how your manual transmission performs. Without proper hydraulic pressure, the clutch can't engage or disengage correctly, making smooth gear changes nearly impossible. A healthy clutch master cylinder helps protect your transmission, improves driving comfort, and keeps your vehicle operating the way it was designed. And that's everything you need to know about the clutch master cylinder. Now, the next time you press the clutch pedal, you'll understand exactly how this small hydraulic component makes every gear change possible. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy-to-understand automotive guides from Fix Pro Garage. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.